Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing Frankenstein because it's a Halloween time. Draw zigzag for the hair and up, another smaller zigzag. That's for the hair. Now let's draw the face or the head and the ears. 2 big circles for the eyes and 2 small circles inside. Envelope it with another circle. That's for the eyes. Then draw the scars and the nose and smiley mouth. And next, draw the screw on both cheeks. And then draw the body. That's the arms and then the hands. The hands are like clenching or grasping something, holding something. Up the arms, and then we're gonna draw the clothes. And then the trousers or pants. Zigzag for the bottom of the pants or trousers and also the sleeves. So it looks like that it got ripped. And next, the buttons and the legs, also the shoes. It's to narrow down my screen. I hope that you can still see them. And then the details of the hand, and that's it. We are done. Now it's time to color. Black for the eyes, and then draw rosy cheeks, oval, and color it pink. For the face and the body, it's green. It's for the arms and also the legs as well. The hair is black and also the buttons. The screws are gray and then the top is blue. I'm using dark blue, but you can use any other color that you like. While for the pants or trousers, they are brown, and also the shoes. The shoes are also brown. And it's done. It's cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.